Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Uloma Ezike. My friends call me Lomzy. Guys, today's video is a requested video on how to make this dress. It's a box dress. Yeah, so a subscriber requested I make this video. I'm in my hometown. I came for burial for my immediate younger brother, but I decided, to make this video. If you guys want to support me, I'm going to be dropping my link in the description section, my PayPal link, so that you'll be able to support me, guys. I am back in the village, to make preparations for my brother's funeral, but I decided I have to make this video because it's a requested video. Now, guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon. I upload videos on sewing tutorials, vlogs. If that's what you're looking for, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, guys, let's go to the cutting table and do this. Remember, guys, I'm in my hometown. I'm not in my base, so bear with me. Anyhow the video turns out, bear with me. All you need to know is I'm going to be teaching you how I made this. You see how cute it is? I'm loving it. It's so comfortable. Yes, it has a pocket. You can decide to have a pocket in yours. I have a front neck slits and I also have slits here. So guys, it depends on how you want to rock yours. As you can see in my pattern. So yeah, let's go to the table to cut this. So you can use Ankara to cut this, but mostly what is needed is either chiffon fabric or crepe fabric. I'm using chiffon. You can see it's see-through already. I'm using it for the sake of this tutorial because I told you guys I'm in my hometown for my brother's burial, so I just found this fabric and decided to use it for this tutorial. So I folded in two like this and I'm folding it again 4 times. So chiffon or crepe comes by 60, so that's how you're going to be folding it. By the time you're folded it would come to like 28 inches, and I'm going to be folding it like this and bringing out the savage of this to use as my center front. Guys, you saw my front slit and my center slit, so it depends if you want to have a front slit or not. If you don't want to have a front slit, then you use the folded side as the center front and center back, but because I want front slit, that's why I'm going to be making it like this, so that the salvage would be for my center front and the folded part would be for my back, center back. Guys, this is just a very simple, one of the simplest dresses you can make. I bet you can make this in less than an hour. So guys, once you have folded it like so, the next thing you need to do is to get the length. That's basically what you need. So I prefer it to be short. It's better when it's short. If it's long, you wouldn't like the fitting, so I prefer you do length 40, 38. It just depends on the person, but it shouldn't be below the knee. It should always be above the knee. Yeah, that way is cheeky. Okay guys, I have to cut the edges to make it straight. Like I said, I made the length of this to be 40. By the time I'm done folding it, it will be 38. Next is to cut the side open for the side seam. Remember, I told you guys this is a box dress, so cut up the side as side seam and then we go on with the other measurements. Next is to mark for the neck measurement. I'm going to be marking the width of the neck to be 3.5 inches, and then the neck depth for the back I will make it 1 inch. You wouldn't want that to be low. The tinier the better. Then the front I'm going to be making it 4 inches, because like I told you guys, I'm going to have a slit in front, so that will make it easier for the client to wear it. So 4 inches is perfect for the front. So I go ahead and cut this out. Next is to mark the notches where I want openings to be. Like for the front slit, I'm going to be marking it on the neck. Yes, I'm going to be making that to be 5 inches. Next is this slit, the front slit, the lower slit you saw on my dress. If you want to add that, you can as well add it. I love it. It gives it a nice silhouette. So I'm going to be making that 6 inches, and I will notch this here also. And then I'm going to be going to the sleeve. Now before we go to the sleeve, you can actually make a notch for the pattern where you want your pattern to be, so you don't have to make any mistake. Like you saw one side pattern on my dress, you can decide anything for you want for your dress. Now for the sleeve, I'm going to be making mine 11 inches. This is because you want the sleeve to be free, and this should work for a small size and a medium size. But if it's a plus size that is extra large, you can make that 12 inches because it needs to be free. Guys, we have come to the end of today's class. If you guys want to see a video on how to sew this, let me know that in the comment section. Remember guys, communication is key. I always tell you that. If you don't communicate with me, I won't know what you want. So drop that in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one. Guys, remember, I'm still in the morning period. Send in your support.